All right, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you what to do when your power windows and your sunroof stop working. And this vehicle is a 2012 MDX, but the process should be similar from 2007 to 2013 model years. So what happens is this driver's side wiring harness goes bad because a yellow wire in here tears up after the door is open a certain number of times. So that's what controls your windows and your sunroof. So I went ahead and bought this new wiring harness, and we're going to see if that's the fix here. So I'm going to link this in the description below where you can get it and what website I got it from. But let's start taking the old one out and put the new one in. All right, so first you're going to have to disconnect the wiring harness from this green ends, and those are connected behind this fuse box. So just pull the cover out, and if you push the parking brake down, you get better accessibility to this area. But as you can see in here, it's this green wire right here, and then this other green plug. So those two need to come out. And then once you get those out, you can pull them through the door. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so as you can see here, I got them unhooked. And next what I'm gonna do is there's a small tab holding this wire in up here. It's kind of hard to see, but right here. So this white tab, I'm gonna take a screwdriver and just pry it out. So that's the next step after you get them unclipped. All right, so once I got that unhooked and unclipped from the inside, I went and pulled this rubber gasket back. And as you can see, here's the plug right here. And on top, there's a tab that you just push in and just pull it out. It might take a few tries because it's in a weird spot right here. But that's the next step. And got it pulled out right here. So now that I've got that, I'm gonna move on to the next part. All right, so next I'm gonna just pull out the other end of that. So where we originally pulled the inside plugs out, I'm gonna pull on that rubber gasket right here. And then those plugs should just kind of slide on out. So as you can see here, they're slowly coming out. So just keep pulling at it. Might need to change your angle that you're approaching it at a little bit. But I'll come back once I got those out. All right, guys, so as you can see, finally got the old harness out. It did take me a few minutes, but all it is just taking some time and being patient, and it'll eventually come out nice and easy. So as you can see on this old harness here, let me try to find where that yellow wire went. Yeah, there it is. It's clearly just torn off right there. And so that is hopefully what we're thinking is the culprit of why the windows and sunroof aren't working. So let's get this new one put in and see if that's what it was. All right, so putting the new one in is pretty self-explanatory. Just feed these two plugs in first and try to get the inside plugs attached, and then you can work on the outside one. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'll update you guys on how it looks. All right, so as you can see, putting it in was a little harder than I expected. So what I did is I took off this panel right here, which if you pull this one up, comes out. There's a little screw in the back that you also have to take out. And then what I did was I took out the 10mm bolt right here that goes to the fuse box so I could move it around a little. So that helped me pull these cables through, and the colored one plugs in here, and the one that's predominantly white wires plugs into the second hole. Then after that, it's just buttoning up these outside switches. And we did test the windows, and they do work now. So that is the fix for if your windows and your sunroof aren't working. So hopefully that helps a few of you guys. And I'll leave the part number in the description below. And thanks for watching. Leave a like if this helped you, and leave any comments you have on the video. Thanks.